In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply a border to your canvas in Inkscape. If you want your page to have a visible outline, a clean frame, or just make the canvas easier to see while designing, this simple setting inside Inkscape will help you do it in just a few clicks. Many beginners open Inkscape and notice that the canvas blends into the background or doesn't have a clear edge, which can make designing a bit confusing. By adding or adjusting the canvas border, you can clearly see the boundaries of your document while you work. This is especially useful when you are preparing designs for export, printing, thumbnails, or any graphic that needs to stay within a specific page area. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can quickly apply and customize the canvas border in your Inkscape document. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Inkscape and create a new document or open the project you want to work on. Once your document is open, look at the top menu of Inkscape. What we need to access is the Document Properties panel. This panel controls many important settings for your canvas, including background color, page settings, and of course, the border around the canvas. To open it, go to the menu and open Document Properties. When the Document Properties window appears, you'll see several settings related to your document. One of the first options you may notice is the background color setting. This controls the color of the page itself. If you want your canvas to be easier to see against the workspace, you can adjust this color. When you click on the background color option, a color picker window will open. Here you can choose any color you like for the page background. You can move the sliders or drag inside the color area to pick the exact shade you want. After selecting your color, simply close the background color window. Now the key step for adding the border to your canvas is the border and shadow color option inside the same Document Properties panel. This setting controls the visible border around your canvas page. Click on Border and Shadow Color to open the color selector. Just like before, a color picker will appear allowing you to customize the border color. You can drag the sliders or move within the color area to choose the exact border color you want for your canvas. For example, many designers prefer a dark border because it clearly separates the page from the workspace, but you can choose any color that fits your workflow. As you adjust the color, the canvas border will update, making the edge of your page clearly visible. This makes it much easier to see exactly where your design area begins and ends. Once you are happy with the border color, close the color window to apply the change. While you are inside Document Properties, you might also see an option called Desk Color. This controls the color of the area around your canvas, which is the workspace outside the page. Changing the desk color can sometimes make the canvas border stand out even more, especially if you choose a contrasting color. You can open the desk color picker, adjust the color if needed, and then close the window once you are satisfied. After finishing your adjustments, simply close the Document Properties window. Your canvas border will now remain visible on the page while you continue designing in Inkscape. And that's it! You've successfully applied and customized a border for your canvas in Inkscape. This small setting can make a big difference when it comes to organizing your design space and clearly seeing your document boundaries. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Inkscape tutorials, graphic design tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.